Hello, very good morning, guys. Sorry, I think I have uploaded the same video of 30th September. So I will be making this video again. I have made a video but somehow lost it. Okay. So, what happened on Friday? Friday we were clearly bearish, but market went down, but the velocity was not expected as we were expecting due to the data. But I have taken the short position. I have told you on Twitter. The reason is just because we are getting so much bearish data from so many days, but we are not getting any follow through. So I thought Friday and Monday are infamous for big trending moves. So we might be getting one. Okay, so I think the gamble has played beautifully. Dow has plunged almost 600 points. Uh, SG Nifty is minus 100 points. So I think I was right about my gut feel. Okay, so what is the data? Data is bullish today, but Friday's data is never reliable. Why? Because a lot of pending contracts or option strategies has been squared off. So Friday data will always mislead you, but still they have added long futures, index futures, that is positive, not positive. I think it's a hedge because they have also sold stock futures also. So it's a, they hedge it with the index futures. Okay, but overall market is bearish. The reason being, look at the amount of short contracts that has been added from so many days. Though it's a 30K plus contracts today, but look at the total number, it's 86,000. They are still holding. Okay, one more thing, they have sold almost 7,000 crores of equity in just a tight range. This is another indication that they have booked profit this time, and market will be looking on the downside. There will be no immediate downside for sure, because they have to distribute a lot, they have to exit a more of their position. So we might see a 1 or 2% fall, then again we will back into the consolidation distribution zone. So but market will be weaker in coming months. Okay, this is a very I mean, the prediction of months I usually don't do, but I can sense that market will going to be weak, and we will be seeing correction up to 5 to 10% in coming months. Okay, so this is it. This is about the data. This is about the cumulative delta analysis. Again, guys, because we are changing our contracts, we are moving from September to October. So October doesn't have too much volume to tell exactly what happened. So Friday data usually ignore, and if it is on the monthly expiry, then totally ignore the data. Okay, but previously we are, the bullish positions can clearly give us indication that market is heading on the downside. Okay, so where we can sell and buy, guys, if this is broken, this, I think this will be broken in pre-session only. This is one zone where you can find some retracement, or you can pull back to the upside. But if this is broken, then market will be weaker for the long term for sure, right? Look at the Dow Jones, man. It has look, it is, all are falling. I mean, SGX Nifty is also falling. FTSE is also falling. Okay, what about the gold? Gold is rising. Okay, when gold rise, it's indication that there is a panic in the equity markets. Okay, gold is a hedge against the markets. So overall, I mean, it is going to a negative day, but please, uh, we are still in a bull market, and pullback can be brutal sometime. So trade accordingly. Okay, so so guys, this is the benefit of data. Okay, I don't carry short positions. This is once in a while, but they they have, in a range of 500 points. Okay, they have done this much of volume on the downside. So I was expecting that they must be getting follow through on Friday, because getting follow through on Thursday is not easy, because a lot of writing happened on Thursday. So Thursday, moving market on Thursday takes a lot of, money and so many things. But Friday and Mondays are always easy for the trending moves. I'll tell you why. Okay, so we'll just select Friday and Monday. Wait. Okay, so range is you can say 500, 600. The range is always on the upside. Okay, basically we are increasing wicks day by day. But I have seen that Friday and Monday range almost on the upside. And what kind of days we are having? Most of the time we are getting normal days, neutral days, or normal variation day. Okay, what normal days are? Normal days are where we are having a big IB. IB means whatever market uh, move, they moves in 1 hour only, then sideways or pull back to the upside or downside, whatever. Okay. So this is it. Today expect open drive. Okay, where will be heading down really fast. But again, please be aware of this support and in all these areas. Where is Bank Nifty? Okay, if you will see market above this, this is a gap where whenever you are seeing this blue rectangle in my chart, this is always a gap. Okay, market travels so fast in gap. I'm again telling you, whenever there is a gap, market can travel that gap very fast. Okay, so if you're seeing price hanging over there and entering into the gap, you can short it. This will give you a quick target. Okay, but yes, gap also gives sometimes pull back, but this will be traveled because market don't left any gap. And this is what I have told when we got this day. Okay, this day I was in a video I told that we will be filling this gap. One gap was here and this gap also. Okay, so we will be filling this gap today. Take care. I'm signing off. Bye.